Let's understand something called group by. Completely a new concept for us. Observe carefully. Group by is a keyword to identify unique values of columns and perform aggregation, sum, average, minimum, maximum, like example. Report flight-wise total number of seats, or product-wise average sales, like this. Having a keyword used to specify conditions on aggregation. Group by means identify unique values, do aggregations. Having report flight-wise total seats, say for example above 70. Product-wise average sales less than or equal to 5K, like this. With this information, query format. Previously we got join. Now it is addition to join. Join with on condition. We have where, group by, having. See the format carefully. We are mixing previous item joins now with where, group by, having. Let's take examples for it. Create database and connect to database. Create table, for example, population table. Insert some data. Okay, so what are the columns here? Okay, the columns are country, state, city, population. These are the different columns we have. Next. How to report list of population details. Select from table name like this. Okay, select population details in this way. Or you don't want asterisk, you don't want star, then country like this. Give country value. Select country in this way. Next. Select distinct country, means unique values. Look at distinct country means unique values. So select from table name star or country. Distinct means unique. Alternative for distinct to get unique values, we have group by. Very simple. Yesterday we are preventing duplicates by using unique constraint. Today's reverse way. A table has multiple duplicate values. You would like to get unique values. Report unique. Output. Yesterday input, today output. I repeat again. Yesterday we learned how to work with the concept of unique constraint. Yesterday and day for yesterday. Unique constraint means the unique key does not allow duplicates. But here duplicates are already there, right? You would like to identify unique values. Then we have distinct, alternative, group by, like this. distinct and group by. Okay, next. Here, what's the difference? That's the difference between distinct and group by. Okay, here it is. Distinct. This keyword is used to report unique values of a column. This keyword is used to report unique values of a column. Group by, to report unique values of a column and also compute aggregations. Perform aggregations like sum, average, max, min, like this. Let's understand that. So remember, district means unique values. Now, how to report country-wise total population? Country, comma, sum of population. So unique plus aggregate. Earlier classes, chapter 4, we learned max, min. Remember everyone? Max, min, subquery concept. Basic subquery, report list of employees, maximum salary, minimum salary. How to use group by? Remember, columns in select should be in group by. Remaining columns should be in aggregate. I repeat, columns in select should be in group by. Okay. Remaining columns should be in aggregate. That is called the group by format of the query. So rule to use group by. Columns used in select should be included in group by. Remaining columns used in aggregation. Same way this one also, see there. Country wise, state wise, city wise, population. Now any questions here, let me know. Don't you remember, like earlier we have basics of queries?
Yes, I.
Yes. Fine, anyway. I will continue. How to report country wise, state wise, city wise population with entries to be filtered for total population above 5 million. This above 5 million. Starting of these notes, we learned the purpose of having. What is that? What's the purpose of having? Do you remember, please? Purpose of having. Okay, this one. Conditions on group by. Okay, conditions on group by, we use having clause. Now what we are doing here, let's see. Condition on group by means having, like this. In this way. Now, earlier classes we have where conditions. Now it is having conditions. right? Where conditions, having conditions, two conditions. When to use which? Where? To specify conditions on aggregate column, country, state, city, like having conditions on aggregation, that is called having, like this. Conditions on aggregations. So where is used for regular columns, okay? These columns, this one. And having is used for aggregations, like this. I repeat, where used to specify conditions on non-aggregate column. Okay, next. Group by country, state, city, having sum of population above. So having is to specify conditions on aggregations, like this. Observe carefully. With this information, so what we learned now so far? Yes, we are understanding number one, joins. Number two, we are learning here something called group by with having. Group by means grouping the contents, aggregations. Any kind of aggregations require group by. Okay, later we are going to see how to mix them together. Ingredient called joins, another ingredient called group by. We need to mix them together. That would be our later items. One more thing. Here we have no limit for the number of columns in select and group by. Okay, no limit at all. We can have any number of columns. Okay, next. Any questions here? No, please. Well, you'll practice till here carefully. We thought of having a mock test today. Can we do it now or Monday? Please tell me. We are meeting tomorrow anyway, as usual. Tell me, please. Your comfort, I'll wait.
Monday, Sai.
Monday? Okay, okay. Others, please. Please, others.
Yeah, Monday,
So,
Sai.
Sure, will do.
so that we can finish off this weekend
Sure,
all the
I
pending
understand. Sure.
items.
Yeah, got it. Yeah, sure. Let's recap what we learned so far since starting of our class last week. Okay, just recap. Hope you are writing your observation notes. Please make sure we write the concepts right from concept titles to keywords. Please do it carefully. Let me just recap what we learned so far till now. Just okay. So here we go. We started with the concept of introduction, installation, then SQL basics, 10 queries first class, and about 30 queries second class. From here you got some task items. Then what else we learned? Remember, folks? Right. Excel imports. Please, you remember now? Some more SQL queries we learned.
And the schemas.
Schemas, temp
Yes.
tables.
Then we want schemas, transfer, temp tables, and copy. Remember, select into.
Constraint.
Please, everyone, do you remember now? Select into.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So next table. Then we learn
Constraints.
exactly. Yes. Yes. Constraints, keys, database diagrams. From there we got relations, joins, bases, group by columns. Tomorrow we need to take joins plus group by. For that we need to take again constraints. I mean tomorrow would be a revision of day before yesterday, yesterday and today with new things.
Mm.
Please everyone, are we getting it now, the flow?
Yes, I.
We learned SQL queries earlier, right? Subqueries we learned. Do you remember subqueries? Please everyone. One
Yes,
query
I.
inside another query.
Yeah, one query inside of the another query.
That also we are going to combine tomorrow. And you remember aliasing? Aliases. Yes,
Yes,
alias.
alias is nothing but
A new name,
temp.
a friendly name to a
Yeah.
column, right?
Yes.
Others busy, very busy. Anyway, I should not bother you much, right? It's not good for me. You have your own priorities, I understand. We'll stop for now. Practice carefully so that we can have meaningful continuity in our journey. Any questions that we'll stop for.